Welcome back to Becky Cooks. So in today's video we are going to be making vegetable egg omelette. Basically eggs mixed in vegetables. So you are going to cut into tiny bits all your vegetables that you prefer to use into your desired shapes and sizes. So I prefer them to be very tiny inside it. So that's what I'm doing now. I have yellow bell pepper, green bell peppers, carrots, cabbage, spring onions. So you make sure you wash your vegetables thoroughly in salted water. After rinsing out, then you let it sit in salted water for about 1 minute to get rid of any, just to ensure everything is well clean. Okay, I also have green peas too. So I'm using about 6 eggs. This season with salt and seasoning cube. I used 1 cube of no seasoning. So give your eggs a good mix, or you can use your handheld electric mixer to make things easier. Then go ahead and add in your vegetables and mix that thoroughly. So meanwhile your pan, okay, I also added carrots. So meanwhile your pan is already heating up, add in just a drizzle of vegetable oil of your choice, and when the pan is hot you add in your egg mixture. Cover it and let it cook through before flipping to the other side. You know it's ready to flip. As you can see, the top is a bit firm. Then you place a round plate the size of your pan and gently flip over. And let the other side cook through for about a minute. Then you just check and see that it's done. And then we are going to flip it again to reveal our beautiful egg omelette. This can be eaten as it is, as a meal on its own, or you can pair it with any other thing that you prefer. And it's perfect for breakfast. This is high protein breakfast. If you're on a weight loss journey, you can have a piece of this for your breakfast, a cup of tea, either green tea, so it's cooked through. And if you just want to maintain a healthy diet, just continue watching and I'll show you the other option you can do with your egg omelette. So just grease your toaster and put the egg in between 2 slices of bread. Press it down very well and let it toast. When it's ready, I think you can have one of these and a cup of tea, hot chocolate beverage, and it's enough for you for breakfast actually, because it's so filling. The vegetables in the eggs just make this to be a complete healthy diet, because you're not just eating the carbs from the bread. So which are you going for? The egg omelette as a whole meal, or you pair it with bread as bread sandwich? So let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you next time. Bye.